In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert shapes to curves in Affinity. By the end, you'll understand how to take a basic shape and refine it into smooth, editable curves using the corner tool, all while keeping your workflow simple and clean. Start by selecting a shape in your document. If you already have one on the canvas, click it with the Move tool to make sure it's active. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it. If you're just getting started, drop a quick rectangle, circle, or any preset shape into your layout so we have something to work with. The key here is to be sure the shape layer is highlighted because every change you're about to make will apply directly to that object. Next, drag and drop the shape into position on your canvas. This could mean pulling it from your assets or simply moving it to the spot where you want to refine it. As you drag, use the smart guides and snapping options to align it precisely with other elements. A small shift now can save time later, especially if this shape will be part of a logo, icon, or UI element that needs consistent spacing. Now, click the corner tool in the toolbar. This tool is designed to round and reshape corners, and it's the bridge between a rigid parametric shape and flexible curves. When you activate it, you'll see small indicators on the corners of your shape. Here's a helpful detail. The moment you begin using the corner tool on a preset shape, Affinity effectively treats it as curves under the hood, so you can refine it more freely. Look to the context toolbar for options like corner type and radius, which let you control how dramatic or subtle those curves should be. Then adjust the shape by dragging directly on the corner widgets. Pull outward to create larger, smoother curves, or keep it subtle with a small drag for gentle rounding. If you want consistent rounding, type an exact radius value in the context bar. Need different looks on different corners? Adjust them individually to add character or balance. Explore the available corner types to switch between rounded, straight, or more stylized profiles as needed. If something goes too far, use undo and try a smaller change. The goal is a shape that feels intentional, clean, and ready for further design work. And that's the whole process. Select your shape, place it where you need it, activate the corner tool, and refine the corners until your shape reads as smooth, elegant curves.